Hi boys and girls, so today we're going to learn about 2D shapes. If I look at the learning intention, it says we are learning to manipulate, sort, represent, describe and explore two-dimensional shapes. To be successful in my learning intention, I will look at the success criteria. I can identify different 2D shapes around my house, I can describe how many sides and corners each 2D shape has, and I can record my thinking clearly. So our first shape is a circle. A circle only has one side, and circles have no corners. So we're going to look at different examples of what a circle is. So if we have a look at a Ferris wheel, a CD disc or a DVD disc, or a clock. Another 2D shape is a rectangle, and rectangles have 4 sides and 4 corners. They have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So some examples could be a door or a window. And you can see the 2 long sides are the same and the 2 short sides are the same. Another example is a ruler and an envelope. The next shape we're going to look at is a square. Squares have 4 straight sides and 4 corners. All the sides are the same length. So if we have a look at this window here, at the very top we can see little squares, and at the bottom we can see bigger squares. And remember, all the sides are the same and they have 4 corners. A light switch is another example of a square. The next shape is a triangle. So triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. One is a giveaway sign, so you might see that when you're going for a nice walk today. The next shape is an oval. So ovals have 1 side and no corners, just like a circle, but it looks like it's a little bit stretched. So here's some examples. So there's another oval there in the light blue, so it might be a rug that you might have at home, or a watermelon. So our task today is to go on a shape hunt in your house, and you're going to describe and talk about the shapes that you see with someone else and draw those shapes. Can you find circles, triangles and squares? How many did you find? You may notice these inside or outside on an artwork in a cupboard. Can you find any other shapes with 4 sides or 3 sides or 6 sides? Are there other shapes you have noticed as well? For our task, you're going to record your thinking, and you might record it in a table that I have at the bottom. So you might have, for example, the 2D shape, which is a circle. And that circle in your house could be the clock. How many sides does it have? 1 side. And how many corners does it have? 0. So boys and girls, it's time to go shape hunting. Have fun.